Welcome to Lingua File. English Basic Reading, Grade 1, Week 20. N-O, no. B-E-L-L, bell. C-O-U-L-D, could. P-E-O-P-L-E, people. T-E-L-L, tell. F-E-L-L, fell. S-E-L-L, sell. W-E-L-L, well. He fell down the well. The people could tell who rang the bell. The man could not sing well. I could sell you my ring. No people fell down the hill. She will sell no buns to them. Tell the people your name. No one may tell a lie. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share, like and comment.